Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sarah Albert, and on today's DIY we are going to be making the African Black Soap Shampoo, so stay tuned. So for this shampoo we are going to be making use of the black soap. This is the African Black Soap. You can purchase this in the market. We also have cloves. We're going to be making use of cloves. I'm going to also be making use of the vegetable glycerin, and I'll be using some of my essential hair oils like the avocado oil. I'll also be using argan oil. I'll be using the jojoba oil, and lastly sweet almond oil. You can make use of your available oils. You must not use all this. Any essential oil you have will do. So last thing you're going to need is an empty container to transfer your shampoo after making it. So I'm just going ahead now to chop my black soap into smaller bits to enable it to dissolve easily. So this is me just cutting the black soap. The African Black Soap contains a blend of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals which help to protect the hair. It helps to cleanse and heal the scalp. It also helps to stimulate hair growth. It's a clarifying cleanser that helps protect the hair from dandruff and other debris that can inhibit healthy hair growth. So I'm just transferring the cut pieces into the bowl where I'm going to dissolve. I added some cloves to it. Just want to add about 2 teaspoons of cloves to this before adding in the hot water. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients which can help strengthen the hair. It helps to protect the scalp. It protects the hair from itching, dandruff, and it also thickens the hair. So now I just went ahead to add the hot water, and I'm going to cover this with foil and set aside for an hour till it dissolves properly. So after waiting for an hour, the soap had fully dissolved. I went ahead to stir this, and as you can see, there are particles of cloves in it. So we are going to strain this to get the cloves out. So after straining this, I'll just go ahead to add the vegetable glycerin that works as an emulsifier. It makes it useful to blend both the water-based and the oil-based ingredients. It will also help to thicken this shampoo. So after adding the vegetable glycerin, I will add my essential hair oils and the shampoo will be ready for use. I'll just go ahead to stir now and adding everything, then I'll transfer into my container. So enjoy watching this. Do well to try this at home. At the end, you will see me using this shampoo. It is very lovely to help to clarify your hair. Do well to give me a thumbs up if you watch up to this point. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.